Let's go on a delicious food tour of Bahrain. It is not a visit to Bahrain if you've not tried the halwa. The food absolutely amazing, especially grilled meat, because that's what adds all the flavor. Okay, let's give it a taste. I'm taking you on a delicious food tour of Bahrain. This teeny tiny country has quite a varied cuisine, getting influences all the way from the Middle East, as far as Lebanon, and on the other side from South Asia, as far as Pakistan and India, because of all the immigrant population, the history, and merging of everything together. Bahraini cuisine is quite meat heavy, so if you're vegetarian or vegan, you might have a little bit of problem, but there are some typical dishes like falafel, hummus, full mudammal, etc., which are quite good when it comes to vegetarian and vegan options. I would recommend avoiding the fish because, we are getting rid of them quite fast in our environment. So, without wasting more time, let's start. Let's start with breakfast. I am at Haji's Traditional Cafe, right next to the Babel Bahrain. And I'm trying some interesting things. I think I'll have to come back like 2 or 3 days to try all of this. But something I've never seen before are these, it's almost like vermicellis or noodles, like they're sweet but with like an egg on top. Let's see how that is. And some full mudammal, it's like something very common in Middle East, and you can easily rely on this if nothing else for breakfast. Also, this sauce, which is a little bit like, I think this is the same sauce they put on top of bread to make za'atar. So, let's give it a taste test. They have a pretty extensive menu, and I will introduce you to Karak later, but for now I want to try this, the rose milk, which is really nice. I tried it yesterday as well. Okay, let's try the noodles now. I'm quite excited about this. Nice and sweet. Oh my God. Has that hint of saffron, which is really good. Okay, whenever you come to Bahrain, this place is not to be missed. I'm gonna go finish this because the AC is like right in front of me, and yeah, my food is getting cold. See you in a bit. I am at another sensation in Bahrain, one you cannot miss. I'm at Aloo Bashir and I'm with Shehbaz, who just made this for me. So it's a rather simple place. You only get 3 or 4 things. They have quite a variety of samosas, which you can try. Basically, an immigrant by the name of Bashir came and he decided to add a little bit of local flavor to a very popular Pakistani Indian dish, samosa. And there's some potatoes. You can have like za'atar, falafel, all types of samosas, which obviously is more to the Middle Eastern taste. So I got this. I am really happy because it got a lot of chutney in it. So let's go give it a try and see what it is like. This is a mix of everything they have, and they add a little bit of chickpea curry, which makes everything nice saucy, and obviously add as much chutney as you want because yes, it is spicy. This chutney is everything to die for, seriously. Okay, let's try the potatoes. No wonder people fell in love with this thing. Simple and amazing. So there are quite a few places in Manama. I'm in the one in Muharrak. And after this, I'm gonna take you to something else that's an immigrant thing that Bahrainis fell in love with, right next door. Let me finish and I'll take you there. I'm talking, of course, about the Karak Chai, another South Asian sensation. It's taken all of the Middle East by storm. Now, it is strong, and they put everything together, milk and the tea, sugar, water, everything, and then it's boiled in one pot until it becomes nice and strong. It has quite a lot of caffeine, so don't drink it in the evening. In the morning or after your siesta is the best time to try this amazing stuff. Has a lot of sugar, but I really like it that way because it cuts some of the bitterness of the tea. I am back at Haji's Traditional Cafe, and this time I don't even need to eat this to tell you that it's going to be good. This is biryani, and remember we talked about some of the South Asian influence coming in from all the people who work here. So this is a good proof. Now, rice is usually a lunch thing here. In the evening, you will mostly get meat. So I'm going to get cracking on this, let you enjoy a little bit of this with me, and we continue on with the further food tour of Bahrain. By the way, you can order chicken or beef. They have both. I am sitting in Naseef, one of the oldest restaurants in Bahrain. It's been operating since 1920, so more than a century of serving food. If that doesn't shout experience, I don't know what does. So I have ordered two things that I find quite nice, and I've tried them before, obviously, but let's see if the Bahrainis add any touch to it. So this is the salad tabbouleh, and this is mahbous, the chicken. This is a very Middle Eastern thing compared to other stuff, the rice they offer, which is biryani, which is a very South Asian affair. So let's see how this works, because I've tried it in Jordan and absolutely fell in love with it. One thing that's amazing is the smell. Oh, it's so good. And it comes with, if I could get things aside. The other thing that you definitely need to try are the sauces. So some of this can be quite hot, so add a little bit and see how much you can handle. I am pretty spice proof, so I'm quite happy with that. But if you ever feel like it's too strong, go with the yogurt. Unlike European countries, yogurt is a mainly savory thing here. Okay, let's give it a taste. Nice. The meat just melts in your mouth, and you know these crispy fried onions they have on top, they just create a separate flavor. And the fragrant rice, oh, I definitely recommend, you definitely need to try this. Let's try the salad as well. I already know it's good. It's really nice to try this for lunch because it's really hot outside and it's really refreshing to come in and try this. Oh. I have quite a lot to finish, so I'll let you go. But when in Bahrain, don't forget to try mahbous. It is not a visit to Bahrain if you have not tried the halwa. Walk into any shop with the name Showaiter and you will be able to find some of the best. So there's two main types. This is the normal one, 3 types of nuts. And this is the second type, which is the royal one. It has 4 types of nuts, as well as saffron. I like the normal one better. I've eaten so much of it pretty much every day, and I love it. If you want more like bite-sized stuff just to try, they also have tasters, or you can get one of these. So they also come with some fig halwa, as well as some brown sugar. Do not miss this, seriously. I'm back with dinner. Sorry, I was really hungry, so I ate already. But I ordered 2 things. One is the lamb pacha. It's made with the neck of lamb and then soaked in some broth with some bread. And the other one is this thing called Lumee tikka, which I'm sitting in Lumee Cafe, by the way. And it's made with char-grilled marinade, and it's like teeny tiny little cubes of meat. So here's the thing. This seemed really nice on paper, but it's actually quite bland. I'm not sure how to add more flavor to it, so I didn't like it that much, but this one was absolute triumph. I just ate all of it, and they did the favorite thing for me. They added teeny tiny cubes of fat in the middle, which make the food absolutely amazing, especially grilled meat, because that's what adds all the flavor. So whenever you come here, do ask for Lumee tikka. It's actually one of their specialties. Yeah, I'm gonna order some tea and chill and see you soon.
I keep coming back to this place because they are so good. So this is a normal dinner, which is grilled meat with this bread, which is really nice, fluffy, a little bit crispy, but just the right amount. And my favorite thing is to roll up some meat, a little bit of salad, and then just eat it. It was really good. Super hearty and simple. Do you want to travel with me? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll bring you more amazing off the beaten path travel destinations.
I am sitting in Adhliya, and this is an area which is mainly for the nightlife. There are restaurants, there's bars, lounges, rooftops, and clubs. I'm sitting in a cute little rooftop as well. But if you want to come enjoy the nightlife, they actually have proper clubs here with international DJs around. So let me show you around the area a little bit. I'm just gonna stay here, enjoy my drink, because I have to get up early tomorrow, so I'm not gonna stay too late. But you're more than welcome.
I'm sure you want to know more about Bahrain, so click on the link above, check out my Bahrain playlist.
Bahrain has a reputation as a party country. So people from GCC countries, apart from Dubai maybe, they come here because alcohol is legal here. You can go to bars, you can go to clubs, dance. So you will see cars flooding in from Saudi, from Kuwait on the weekends, so people can come party, which means things get really busy. So if you want to party, I would definitely recommend booking your whatever, the restaurant, lounge, bar, club in advance, because they prefer it that way here.
Bahrain has quite a varied cuisine, like I said, and there are so many options for international food as well. If you fancy, you can always find some good restaurants for that too. I really hope you enjoyed eating around Bahrain with me. Do let me know what you think in comments. Did it meet your expectations? Did you expect it to be this varied? And I'll see you in another beautiful country trying their food. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
This is Brown Boy Travels. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please do comment, like, subscribe, and share. And do let me know if you have any suggestions for your country. I would love to visit. I will see you in the next video. Until then, you have a beautiful day ahead.